Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, y'all, I am about to get laser hair removal. You guys, I'm so happy. I'm nervous a little bit because I don't really know what to expect, but I am so excited because y'all, this hair needs to be gone. Okay, so I'll be getting it on my underarms and on my Brazilian, and of course I'm going to take you guys along with me. Right now I am running a little bit behind, honey. It's 1:26 and I gotta be there about 1:45 and it's 15 minutes away, so I need to get going. But you guys, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. You guys are gonna see the entire process. I'm gonna come back and update you guys on everything, so y'all stay tuned. Hi, how are you? I'm well, how are you? Thanks.
Okay, you can take a seat. That's my station.
Alright, thank you, y'all. So this is the room. And they have a little rope for me to put on, and then they have them wipes so that I can like wipe off my deodorant and stuff. And then, you know, these little cool little glasses.
This machine to the right is going to be the laser hair removal machine.
Okay.
So it basically, this is what's doing your treatment, but the machine to the left is going to make you a little bit more comfortable.
Okay, got it.
Alright.
How long does it take?
Typically it's super fast. It's about 15 minutes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, for the entire thing?
For the entire thing.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's pretty good. I don't know, I thought it was going to be like an hour.
Oh, no, we can get it done super quick.
Okay,
Do you have
okay.
any tattoos in the areas that we're treating?
No.
Gotcha. So I'll first start off with the underarms. You've got your closet on.
Okay.
I'm just gonna lay your bed back just a little bit.
Okay.
And then we'll start on the right side, okay?
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna start off with just a little test spot. So I'll do one pulse and then just check to see how you feel.
Okay.
Here we go.
You did it?
I did.
Okay.
The cold air really helps, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so we'll continue. At any point, if you need to stop, you let me know, okay?
Okay.
Here we go. How you doing?
It's okay.
Towards the middle there, you can
You feel it a
you
little
can
bit
feel
more?
it a little
Yeah.
bit more. That's usually where the thicker hair is. Along the edges, it's usually a little bit finer.
Got it, got it. Oh, and you can smell the little, kind of a little bit of a burn.
Yes. So each hair that may be present above the skin,
Yeah.
it will singe the tops of that hair, and that's what you may smell.
Okay. Got it.
Almost done. All complete with that
That's
first arm.
it?
That was it. So
Woo!
we don't have to go back to that arm. We're completely done from one to your left side.
Oh, okay, wow.
All right, here we go. How you doing on the left? Is
That
it a little
one-
spikier?
Yeah, it stings.
Sometimes the left is a little bit more
Like sensitive?
sensitive. Sometimes the blood flow can contribute to that, but
Got it. Now I don't feel anything.
alright, we're almost complete with this side. You're doing great. How
That's
was
it?
it? How was
It's
it?
easy.
Good.
Thought it was gonna hurt a lot more. That's it for the underarm?
That's it for that.
Hey guys, so I am back, y'all. I am back from getting laser hair removal for the very first time, and I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys a little bit about my experience. So first and foremost, you guys, it was an amazing experience. As I said, I am super happy to be getting this done. I am the type of girl that likes to keep my body clean, hairless. So this makes it just so much easier because laser hair removal is supposed to remove the majority of the hair. I think they aim for like an 80% reduction of hair growth. So I am all for that. And I believe they said when the hair does start to grow back, it grows back so fine that you cannot even really see it like that. So that is a positive note for me. That's a positive thing for me. So as far as my experience, you guys, first of all, it was super quick. I was very surprised at how quick the treatment was. You guys, it was probably like 10 to 15 minutes for the entire thing. And I don't know why I thought it was gonna be like an hour long. I did get my underarms done, and I also got my vaginal area done, the Brazilian, so the entire thing. As far as pain or discomfort, so underneath my armpit, it wasn't bad. I will say the pain was maybe like 2 to 3 out of 10. The Brazilian though, on the other hand, certain areas wasn't as uncomfortable, but the top for some reason was very uncomfortable. Like I felt that. I was like, wait a minute, what is happening? And she was like, do you want me to stop? And I was like, no, just keep going. I'm just the type of person, if I feel something, I have to express myself to feel better. So, but as I said, it was just quick and very easy. The top areas, I said that discomfort was maybe like a 7 out of 10. But as far as like the bikini line, the labia area where the lips are, wasn't bad. And y'all, she had to do in between the anus, so I had to spread them so that she could laser that as well. And that wasn't as bad as well. That was probably 1 to 2 as far as on the pain scale of 1 to 10. So yeah guys, that was my experience. She did give me some aftercare notes on what I should do. So I have to avoid the sun, of course. I also can't take very hot showers. She told me I can't like go into the swimming pool. I should try my best not to sweat very much. She told me that there's a possibility that I may start to itch. If I do start to itch, I can use like aloe vera gel, or she did give me some little packets of like hydrocortisone to help with itching if it does happen. But yeah guys, it was super quick, super easy. As far as right now, I do 100% recommend. I definitely have to keep going to see how it really is and how well it works for me. So I will be giving you guys 2 additional updates. So I'm doing this video here just showing you guys my first time, and then I'm gonna do 2 additional videos just to kind of show you guys like how the hair growth is going or how the hair loss is going in those areas. I am getting 6 sessions in all. This is my first session, so I have 5 more sessions to go, and I'll be doing my sessions every 6 weeks. But yeah guys, that is it for the updates. If you guys have any questions, as always, leave those down below. You guys know I'm good for answering my comments, answering questions in my comments. So definitely, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications. You guys know the drill. Definitely join the family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.